Imagine air, ever present yet often unnoticed. It's all around us, filling our lungs, circulating life, yet we rarely give it a second thought. But what if I told you that this simple act of breathing holds the key to a more mindful existence? Just like air, mindfulness too is a resource that's always available to us, yet often overlooked. It's the practice of focusing our attention on the present moment, accepting it without judgment. And the breath? It's our most reliable anchor to this present moment. Why the breath, you ask? Well, our breath is like a barometer for our bodies and minds. When we're stressed, our breath turns shallow. When we're relaxed, it deepens. By tuning into the rhythm of our breath, we can gain insight into our mental and emotional state. But it's more than just observation. By consciously controlling our breath, we can influence our state of mind. Slow, deep breaths can help us cultivate calmness and clarity, even amidst chaos. It's like having a secret superpower hidden in plain sight. This connection between breath and mindfulness isn't new. It's been at the heart of meditation practices for centuries, from the serene monastic cells of ancient India to the bustling city studios of modern Melbourne. So, how do we tap into this power? It starts with a simple commitment to pay attention, to tune in to the ebb and flow of our breath. It's about grounding ourselves in the here and now, with each inhale and exhale. It's about developing a gentle curiosity towards our own experiences, breathing in the world around us and breathing out any tension or stress. It might seem simple, even too simple to make a difference. But as with many things in life, it's the simplest things that often have the most profound impact. So, let's embark on this journey together. A journey to harness the power of our breath, to cultivate mindfulness and to discover a more balanced and peaceful way of being. Just as air sustains our bodies, mindfulness can nourish our minds. Before embarking on this journey of mindfulness, we need to prepare our bodies. Just as a vessel must be prepared prior to setting sail, our bodies too must be primed for the voyage into mindfulness. The first step is to loosen the body, to shake off any residual tension that might hamper our journey. Picture this. Imagine you're a tree, swaying gently in the breeze. Feel the wind as it rustles your leaves, your branches moving with the rhythm of the air. Now bring this image to life. Stand up if you're comfortable doing so and begin to sway gently from side to side. Let your arms dangle freely, moving in sync with your body. This is your wind dance, a dance to shake off the tension from your muscles. Now, let's go a bit deeper. Imagine a gentle vibration originating from your feet, slowly traveling up your body. As it moves, it loosens the tight knots of stress and tension. Let this vibration shake your legs, your torso, your arms, and finally your head. Feel the tension melting away, your muscles relaxing into a state of calm readiness. Don't rush this process. Take your time. Be patient with yourself. Remember, we're preparing for a journey, not running a race. If you find a particular area feels more tense, spend a bit more time there. Send the vibration to that area. Let it do its work. Finally, let's take a moment to ground ourselves. Plant your feet firmly on the ground. Imagine roots growing from your feet, anchoring you to the earth. Feel the stability, the connection to the world around you. With each breath, you draw strength from the earth, further relaxing your body, preparing it for the journey ahead. Now, with our bodies relaxed, we are ready to delve into the practice of mindfulness. Remember, this journey is yours alone. There's no right or wrong way to travel it. The most important thing is to stay present, stay mindful. So take a deep breath, let it out slowly, and let's embark on this journey together. A breath, like air, is a constant companion. It's with us from the moment we're born until the day we pass on. It's a natural rhythm, an ebb and flow that's as reliable as the sun rising in the east and setting in the west. And just like the air around us, we often take it for granted, barely noticing it. Let's change that. Let's bring our breath into focus and discover how it can be a powerful tool for mindfulness. Imagine your breath as the gentle breeze flowing in and out of your body. It's a cycle, a continuous loop of inhalation and exhalation. With each breath you take, you're not just filling your lungs with air, but your entire being with life. To start, find a comfortable position. You can be seated or lying down, whatever feels right for you. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe it. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, expanding your chest and stomach. Then feel it leaving your body, the chest falling, the stomach contracting. Now let's deepen our breath. Inhale slowly, counting to 4 in your head. Hold that breath for a count of 7. Then exhale slowly, counting to 8. This is known as the 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's an effective way to calm the mind and body, and it's easy to remember. 4-7-8. Continue this pattern for a few minutes. Feel the rhythm of your breath, like the ebb and flow of the ocean tide. Notice how with each breath your body becomes more relaxed, your mind more focused. Breathing is more than just a physical process. It's a bridge between our body and mind, a tangible way to connect with the present moment. It's a reminder that we're alive, here and now, in this very moment. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to breathe for mindfulness. It's about finding what works for you, what allows you to be present and connected. By focusing on our breath, we can anchor ourselves in the present moment. So let's breathe, feel, and be in the now. Now we will journey together into a state of mindfulness. Imagine yourself as a vast, open sky. Your thoughts, your emotions, your sensations, they are like clouds. They come, they go. They drift across the sky, and sometimes they may even obscure the blue vastness. But remember, you are not these clouds. You are the sky, infinite and unchanging. Now let's take a deep breath in, filling our lungs with the fresh, invigorating air. Hold it for a moment, then gently release it, letting it carry away any tension or stress. Feel the air as it flows in and out of your nostrils. Become aware of the sensation, the coolness as you inhale, the warmth as you exhale. Just like the air, our thoughts and emotions are transient. They flow in, they flow out, they are not us, they do not define us. We are the observers, the sky, watching the clouds pass by. Now let's imagine these thoughts and emotions as clouds. Visualize them taking form, becoming tangible. Maybe they are fluffy and white. Maybe they are dark and stormy. It doesn't matter. They are just clouds. They are not us. As we breathe in, we observe these clouds. As we breathe out, we let them drift away. We do not hold on to them. We do not judge them. We simply observe and let go. Inhale, observe. Exhale, let go. Feel the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. Let it anchor you in the present moment. Let it remind you that you are here, now, in this vast sky of mindfulness. Now let's gently shake our bodies, releasing any residual tension. Start with your toes, your feet. Gradually move up to your legs, your hips. Continue to your torso, your arms, finally your neck, your head. Feel the tension melting away. Feel your body becoming loose, relaxed. Your body is now relaxed. Your mind is focused. You are ready to fully immerse yourself in the experience of mindfulness. Again, visualize the clouds. See them drift across your sky. Do they change shape? Do they change color? Just observe, just let go. Remember, you are not these clouds. You are the sky, infinite and unchanging. You are the observer, not the observed. You are the experiencer, not the experience. As we continue to breathe, to observe, to let go, we cultivate a sense of peace, of presence. We become more aware of our inner selves, of our true nature. We realize that we are not our thoughts, not our emotions. We are the sky, infinite and unchanging. Inhale, observe, exhale, let go. Feel the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. Let it anchor you in the present moment. Let it remind you that you are here now in this vast sky of mindfulness. As we near the end of our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate this state of mindfulness, this state of being. Let's take a moment to appreciate ourselves for taking the time to nourish our minds, our souls. Let's take one final deep breath in, filling our lungs with the fresh, invigorating air. Hold it for a moment, then gently release it, letting it carry away any remaining tension or stress. As we close this meditation, hold on to the sense of peace and presence you've cultivated. As we emerge from our meditation, take a moment to reflect. Allow yourself the space to acknowledge the journey you've just undertaken, a journey into the realm of your inner self. The beauty of this journey is that it is uniquely yours, filled with your own experiences, thoughts and emotions. Just as we use the analogy of air in our meditation, consider your experiences as though they were currents of air. Some may have been as gentle as a soft breeze, barely noticeable, while others might have been as robust as a gust of wind, leaving a distinct impression. There is no right or wrong, just different currents of experiences flowing through the landscape of your mind. Perhaps during the meditation, certain thoughts arose, like leaves caught in the wind. These thoughts, whether they were about the past, the present, or the future, are not intruders. They are part of the natural process of your mind. Recognizing them, observing them without judgment, is an integral part of mindfulness. Equally, emotions might have surfaced, like changes in the weather. Some might have been comfortable, like the warmth of the sun, while others might have been uncomfortable, like a sudden chill. Emotions, like the weather, are transient. They come and go, and observing them with a sense of detachment allows us to better understand our emotional landscape. The physical sensations you felt, whether they were feelings of relaxation or tension, are also part of this journey. By paying attention to our bodies, we can often gain insight into our state of mind. Were there moments of complete relaxation, or were there areas of tension that lingered? These sensations, like the air around us, are always changing, always flowing. As we take this time to reflect, remember that each meditation journey is a step towards greater self-awareness, towards greater mindfulness. With every breath, every thought, every emotion, and every sensation, we are learning more about ourselves and our place in the world. Mindfulness, like air, is always with us, available whenever we need to find clarity and peace. The practice of mindfulness offers many benefits. This simple truth is one that has been echoed by countless individuals who have embraced mindfulness as a part of their daily routine. Imagine your mind as a bustling city with thoughts and emotions racing down its streets like cars. Now imagine mindfulness as the traffic controller, gently guiding these vehicles, ensuring they move smoothly and don't collide. This is the essence of mindfulness. It helps us manage our thoughts and emotions, reducing stress and enhancing our focus. When we practice mindfulness, we train our minds to stay in the present, to focus on the here and now. This focus can help us become more efficient in our tasks, whether we're working on a project or simply enjoying a quiet moment with a cup of tea. The improved mental clarity that comes from this focus can help us make better decisions, solve problems more creatively, and even boost our memory. But the benefits of mindfulness extend beyond the mind. It also has profound physical benefits. Regular mindfulness practice can help lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and even boost our immune system. It's like giving your body a regular tune-up, helping it run more smoothly and efficiently. Emotionally, mindfulness can be a powerful tool for self-regulation. By observing our emotions without judgment, we can better understand them and respond to them in healthier ways. This can lead to improved relationships, greater emotional resilience, and a deeper sense of inner peace. Just as we need air to breathe, we need mindfulness to nourish our minds, bodies, and spirits. It's not just about sitting quietly and focusing on our breath. It's about cultivating a way of being, a way of living that brings a greater sense of balance, harmony, and well-being into our lives. Mindfulness, like the air we breathe, can become an integral part of our daily lives, enriching and nourishing us in countless ways. It offers us a path to a more mindful, healthier, and happier life. And who wouldn't want that?